How to log in to CIBC Costco Mastercard. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log into CIBC Costco Mastercard. So head over to any web browser first and simply search in what I've shown you on the screen, that is CIBC Costco Mastercard. And once you click on this first link, you will be redirected to this section of the screen. And once you're inside here, just before you register with your card number and password, make sure your CIBC you have successfully logged in with your mobile banking of your CIBC, because your CIBC card number is linked to your mobile banking or online banking account. So if you have already registered with your mobile banking, then you just simply need to log in with your credentials like card number and password, and once you sign in, you will see the card option, CIBC card option, where you can either activate or do anything with it. So that is exactly how you can easily log into your CIBC Mastercard login account. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.